you'll be in lots of trouble. You just walk around
No
safely.
pistol gun.
No, you don't play like that. Because you could poke someone with those and it will hurt. Hey, Kristen, you don't want to get poked with chopsticks. Look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey.
Anthony.
The Anthony? Do you know anyone else's name?
No.
No.
You know that.
I'm going to wait here. Oh, that
This
Anthony.
lecture.
Tickle, tickle.
Oh, remind me to give you a book.
There. Black. You know. Another. Teacher. Teacher. Look, teacher there.
Oh, is her name Bob?
No.
Is it John?
No, it's Mrs. Corny.
Oh, that's a good name.
You're going to say the same sort of thing for your kids that I say to mine, because I just sort of step by say to them. All our kids are going to think we're crazy.
I guess we're all raised the same. Yes, sir.
Daddy, who do you think that is?
Kristen just told me that that's Anthony.
Who's that?
Sarah.
How would you know?
Is it? No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
You didn't know.
I just guessed.
Who's that?
Jessica.
No.
Mary.
No. I'll give you a clue. She starts with N.
Nyama.
No.
And I don't know.
Naraya?
No. Don't around here. I need to go now.
What's her name?
You have to guess.
I can't guess. It's too hard.
There's something else that starts with N.
Nora.
No. Look at that. Something else. Look at that. N.
You are so hypo. Did that not take you for your run today? I want to see your teeth. Oh my gosh, that's two.
Can I see?
No, don't touch
Don't touch your mouth.
Thank you.